Yo, hello everybody. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing good. All right. So yeah, welcome to today's live stream. So in this video, we'll be talking about a London session, live forex trading, and things like that. You guys are welcome. So I welcome each and every one of you. Um, Let me see something. All right. Yo, everybody, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. All right. So I'm trying to set things up, guys. Um, Let me just set everything. Then we continue, huh? Okay. So
Introducing the FX Pro app, a new way of trading on the go. Keep the market at your fingertips with a variety of 270 assets in 6 classes to choose from. Transfer and withdraw funds in just a couple of clicks. FX Pro, trade like a pro.
okay, all right, guys. I think everything is ready now. So yeah, let's get things started. So how are you guys doing? Okay, somebody's asking of please do USD card. All right, I'll try and check USD card for you guys as well. You know, I'm pumped right now, but what the market is doing this week is not funny, man. It's not funny, but it is what it is. We have to expect um, some of this worst trading week. So far, you are a trader, you must come across all of these things, right? The only thing there is that we have to take a calculated risk, and just that just it. There's nothing much of you trying to maybe say, oh, why this happened to me, and things like that. Nah, definitely we do expect, or we do even of the bad trading weeks and things like that. So yeah, guys, this is Euro JPY right now. If you do follow my free Telegram channel, you follow my um, premium channel, or you are VIP students and things like that, you know that I gave you guys this Euro JPY buy, but it is what it is right now. The market is still taking its time before it will eventually shoot to either the upside or to the downside, right? But in this case, I'm saying it will shoot to the upside, so I'm expecting this Euro JPY to go for about 101 pips in profit, right? So I'm just still waiting for this. Let it keep on going to the upside, right? So now let me check something out. Okay, let me send it to our students, to the free Telegram channel, and to our VIP. It is very, very important. I don't know why my connection is kind of poor this morning. Anyway, um, all right, it's okay. Let me share it. Yeah, guys, I'm still holding this trade, man. I'm still on it. So you see, the market is still taking its time right now. But like I said earlier on, I'm still holding this trade. So GBP USD, your analysis, please. All right, we're trying to do the analysis. Don't worry, guys. We'll do everything that you guys say or request, right? We'll do all of them, because the channel is for you guys. Not for me. It's for you. So I have to do whatever you guys request from me, right? So let me just send the links and everything to my to my. It is very important. Okay. So it is what it is, guys. Like I said earlier on, that we have to experience such in the market. It does happen, guys. I don't know why what this is happening, bro. I'm not trying to get it. All right, all right. I think it has been sent now. They will try and join us as well. It is very, very important, guys. Very, very important for them to join us as well. Yeah, man. All right. So I'll try and talk about this Euro JPY, right? I'll try to talk about it. Let me complete everything. Okay. So yeah, I was trying to talk about this Euro JPY, saying that I've sent the buy signal for you guys. So now we're about 12 minutes to enter London session, right? So I'm trying to check out some pairs that, all right, I think it's back now. All right. Okay, guys. So yeah, like I was saying, this is Euro JPY analysis. I've done my analysis before I sent the signal for them, right? Literally, any signal that you guys see me sending to either my VIP students or premium students or free Telegram students, you know what I mean? I do the analysis. So now I see somebody is requesting for me to do USD card analysis and also GBP AUD, right? So let's quickly do those analysis first before we start trading for the London session, right? So now let me try to check out for this GBP now USD card. Then we go down to GBP AUD. So this is USD card now 1 hour time frame, right? So this is USD card 1 hour time frame. Come on, man. I'm still seeing this as is going to sell, not even a buy. Yeah, there's a probability of it still selling, but right now wait for it to break some certain level and retest. Okay, this is daily time frame now. So on this daily time frame, what do you guys see? What do you guys see on this daily time frame right now? If I may ask you, what do you see? Is it a long-term buy or long-term sell? That's the first thing that you are supposed to ask yourself whenever time you're trying to do some analysis in the market. So now this is daily time frame, and it is a long-term sell moving down to the downside, right? So right here, it is what I refer as key level. That's a key level on this daily time frame. So what am I going to do next? What am I going to do next? So all of those buy move that happened on USD, you know, it was just kind of retracement and things like that, some sort of manipulation that happened in the market. So now, you know, just remember that this is my daily time frame trend line. Let me change the color to green so that I can just understand it. That's it. And also this is daily time frame key level, right? So that's just it. Now what I'm expecting from this market to do is I'm expecting it to fall to the downside. Come on, bro. To be honest with you, you know why this is gonna fall? You see this? If you are one of ITT students, you know, or you do take one-on-one calls with me, you know exactly how to trade all of this setup in the market. You see this? I do teach you guys, you know. So this is what I refer as a pin bar. That's a pin bar, and it is a sell signal for us if it is a valid pin bar, right? I do teach you guys of how you can trade these setups or candlestick patterns in the market as well. So yeah, I'm still doing analysis on this USD card right now. So after we finish doing this USD card analysis, then we can now understand exactly what the market is about to do or what the market is going to do next, right? So now it is USD card for our time frame. So since this is a USD card for our time frame, and according to what I'm seeing right here, the market, it is a long-term long-term sell. Then what am I going to do? Since we've already missed the perfect entry point right around this area, what am I going to do is I'll try to do something like this. You see this? Boom. Then my target zone is going to be right around this 170 pips. You know what I mean? I don't have any buying bias or whatsoever about this USD pair, you know. I'm still stick to my sell positions and things like that on this USD card or whatsoever. I still maintain that it's going to sell long time. Just take note of that. And actually, the stop loss is supposed to be above this since we missed the entry point, right? But let's try to leave the stop loss around this area first, around 60 pips. So if you see that the market keep on pushing and pushing to the upside, you might set your stop loss above this previous resistance line, because whenever time this resistance zone get broken, definitely this market is not going to sell anymore. It's going to go up to the upside, maybe to reach this level before it will start to fall again to the downside, right? But as of now, this is my setup on this. So I'm expecting USD CAD to sell to the downside from where it is right now. If manipulation did not happen in the market, definitely it will sell, and I'll update you guys about the results whatsoever that happen. I'll update you guys and tell you guys that, okay, see what happened on this and things like that, because you have to verify that everything that we are doing here, it does work out in the market, right? So now, since we were on the 4-hour time frame, let's go down to 1-hour time frame. So this is 1-hour time frame right now on this USD card. And what are you guys seeing? Let me show you something. And also, guys, before we continue, if you like this video so far, give this video a thumbs up and also share with your friends and family. Most importantly, subscribe to our YouTube channel as well, and also follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook page, you know, and a lot of free stuffs like that. Because if you are looking out for maybe motivational speech or whatsoever, you know, I do post a lot of things like that as well, according to my personal experience, right? So now go and follow us on all of those social media platforms, guys. So yeah, thank you very much as you do so. And let's just go down. Come on, bro. I believe this is gonna sell. Honestly, I believe this is gonna sell, man. It's gonna sell. Now you see what happened on this 5-minute time frame. See what happened? Come on, if you want to sell this, you can sell it, bro. You can sell it if you want to sell this. And let me change the color to something like that. This is 5 minutes, and we are about to enter London session. Let's wait for London session to click before we now start to get into any trade. I'm waiting for it to start, right? Because it might, this particular pair might still go for retracement before it will push again to the downside, right? But now let me just wait for some seconds or some minutes. Yeah, actually it's about 4 minutes now, so let's wait for some for 4 minutes before we get in to any trade in the market. So I'm still waiting for that, but right now my bias on this, it is a sell. It is a sell. I'm expecting this market to sell to the downside, guys. So that is my expectation on USD card. If you have any question, guys, you can just let me know and I will answer your question. Just write it down in the live chat section. I will answer your question right away, right? It is very, very important, guys. So yeah, now let me go down to check out GBP AUD so that I can just analyze it for you guys as well. GBP AUD, this is USD CHF anyway. So USD CHF trying to break out of this my trend line, which I plot on the daily, I think so. On the daily, something like that. Yeah, on the daily time frame, trying to break out of it, but this is another key level right here. Just waiting for this again to continue to push down to the downside again. But let's see what exactly is going to happen, because right now there's no sell confirmation right here. All I'm seeing is just bullish candlesticks. So that's not a value sell for me right now on this daily time frame, right? So now let's wait for the good confirmation, or on the 4-hour time frame. You go down here and see, yes, there is no good confirmation that this market is going to sell on this 4-hour time frame as well, right? So let's go down to GBP AUD according to what you guys requested. So let me check out for GBP AUD so that I can just give you my bias on it. Come on, man, you see what happened right here? I had my analysis on this, you know what I mean? So right now is back inside my trend line. So this was a fake outs to the upside. Let me see something. Okay, yeah, it's gonna sell, guys. It's gonna continue to sell to this point, this previous zone, for how many pips? For around 300 pips. Come on, man, you can take advantage of this move, because just broke out of this. Now what I'm seeing on GBP AUD is going to be it's going to continue to push to the downside from here. Now it's going to continue to push for about 300 pips like that. So now your stop loss, you can set it right around this zone. So it's going to be 70 pips. So if you see a breakout of this trend line again, it's going to continue to push up to the upside. And remember, there is support level. There's a previous support level here, so it might come up and retest this support. So actually your stop loss is going to be something. Let me show you something right there. This is 1 to 3. It is 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. That's just it, guys. So now that's what I'm seeing on this GBP AUD. So if you have any question, just let me know. But that's what I'm saying on that. So let me just screenshot the USD card and see what exactly is happening around on it. Come on, man, you see what happened? Boom, pushed to the downside. You see what I mean? Come on, bro, stop playing with ITT. If you got into this trade, you know, because now it is a London session. We are in London session right now. And if you got into to this trade and sold it, you know, you are in a profit right now, because I've told you my bias on all of this, it is sell, not a buy, bro, not a buy. Any USD pair that you see, I'm not interested in buying it. I would rather sell it than buying, right? So let's just wait. Okay, now we are having some stuff to start getting interested on this USD CHF, right? So, but don't worry, I will explain to you later on. This is 1 hour time frame anyway. Let everything be formed, you know. Once I have that confirmation on either the 4-hour, 1 hour, or the daily time frame, I usually get into my trade, right? So I'm seeing something, getting interested on this USD CHF right now. Once that particular thing is formed, you know, I'll try to analyze the USD card again, or no, the USD CHF again, and tell you exactly what I'm seeing and things like that. It is very, very important, guys. So now let me just screenshot this, and so that I can post before and after later on, right? So now gotta screenshot this, man, because so that it will serve as my before and after. And also we might enter this trade, bro, like I'm very serious, very serious right now. I might send the signal to our free Telegram channel and everything like that. So now let me go and okay, I screenshot it. Let me go and save it somewhere else so that I can just grab it later on, or I will let my student that GBP USD card analysis, right? So let me send it to them. USD card for our time frame, analysis, right? Boom, I sent it. I'll forward it to our free Telegram channel and things like that. So if you are not following us on our free Telegram channel, make sure you follow us, guys. It is very important, because I do share a lot of free stuffs over there free signals and things like that as well. So if you like it, to to just um get more knowledge about forex trading and things like that, so make sure you follow us right there, guys. It is very, very important, right? So now, I'll still get into this trade, man. I'll still get into this trade so that we can ride it all the way to the downside, right? So let me just wait for it to come up for another retracement, maybe to come up and engulf this previous candle. Then I will get in and ride it all the way to the downside, guys. That's what I'm planning on this. So I'll get in right now. So here's what it is. Let me check out for Euro JPY. Or is my Euro JPY? All right. Okay, so this is Euro JPY. All of this, I don't regard this as a valid move, man, because it's gonna go up to the upside. That's what I'm saying on this. And if this is gonna go up to the upside, CHF JPY also supposed to follow up and go to the upside. You guys remember when I gave you guys signal on this to ride it all the way to the upside, we took about 80 pips. I think that was last week anyway, but later on the market pushed up to the upside for around 150 pips. But it is what it is. This was where our final take profit was. So right now the market is just making some moves, trying to push back up again to the upside, and but broke down right here, trying to go back down again to touch this level. So I'm waiting for it to finish all of this move in order for me to look out for another possible buy opportunity again in the market. So let's just take our time and wait for this particular pair to continue to move to the upside, right? So now, because there is no nothing like buy confirmations right now, so where's my Euro JPY anyway? Okay, Euro JPY is just trying to retest this particular zone again in order for it to continue to move to the upside, right? Let's just keep things positive, guys. So you see what is happening on Euro JPY right now, trying to break down to the downside. So it is what it is. I'm still holding my position right here if the market did not hit my stop loss. So now I'm minus 16 pips. Minus 16 pips on Euro JPY, guys. So it is what it is. Let me check out USD card in case if it come back up again for the retracement, right? So now I might get in, but not yet, not yet. I want it to retrace a little bit before I get in. So let me wait for it to retrace, then I'll get into the market and ride it where I'm expecting it to go, right? But I'm minus 16 pips on Euro JPY, guys. So it is what it is. That's what the market does anyway. So today you are in profit, tomorrow, it does happen like that. The only thing is you have to take a calculated risk, man. Take a calculated risk, not just anyhow risk, right? Okay, guys, let's continue with what we are doing. Oh man, yeah, it might just continue to push to the downside, but I'm seeing that it will come up for the retracement. You know what I mean? To definitely come up for the retracement. So let's just wait and be patient, guys, to definitely come up. So let me just wait for it to come up a little bit, since I did not get it right at where I told you guys that it will start to sell to the downside, right? So let me just wait for it, maybe for 1 hour, things like that, to come up to maybe to around this zone or around this zone before it will finally show to the downside. So because the market makers, that's how they behave. So let's see how will this play out, right? So now let me check. Somebody is saying, okay, let me check your comments, what you guys are saying, right? So now you are saying GBP USD please. All right, and Euro GBP. Okay, Euro GBP and GBP USD, they kind of correlate negatively. They correlate negatively. What I basically mean is, if GBP USD is buying, Euro GBP is supposed to be selling. That's how the market does. So anytime that you analyze maybe Euro GBP or GBP USD, definitely go down and analyze one of that pair, and the correlation is negative. That's what I'm saying. You have to just keep that at the back of your mind, guys. So let me go and check out GBP USD for you, so that I can just tell you my opinion on that particular pair as well. Where is GBP USD? Okay, this is GBP USD right now. So now this is for our time frame. Oh man, you guys remember my live analysis on GBP USD, right? Yeah. Okay, not even live analysis. Let me show something to you guys. Let me check it out so I can just show it to you. Then let me go down to my channel, or your channel, so you check out something. So now where is that? Okay, I think this is GBP USD, right? So let me show you something, guys. This way on this daily time frame, right? So this is my trend line, right?
With Grammarly, you can find really good, no, perfect words that make your writing sharp, or explicit, or excellent, or distinctive. So your message connects. Grammarly, helping you connect.
Don't skip
Go
ads,
to
guys. Don't
Grammarly.com
skip
and
ads,
download
you know?
today.
Don't skip ads.